In this video, I will show you how to fix sound issues in Fortnite on the PS5 if you can hear game audio, music or voice chat. Follow these steps carefully and you should be back in the game with sound in no time. First, open Fortnite on your PS5. Once you are in the game, press the option button on your controller and go to settings. Confirm and open the menu settings. Now press the R1 button to switch over to the audio tab. Main volume is turned up high enough. All other audio sliders are also set to reasonable levels. If everything looks good and you still have no sound, move on to the next step. Now press and hold the PS button on your controller. Highlight Fortnite, press the option button, select close game. This completely shuts down Fortnite and clears temporary glitches. Now we are going to restore a licenses which can fix audio and game file issues. So press the PS button again, highlight Fortnite, press the option button and select restore licenses. Confirm and wait for the process to finish. Once done, launch Fortnite again and check if the sound is back. And if you're playing on TV, grab your TV remote. Make sure the TV volume is turned up. Also confirm the TV is not muted. So to set it low audio output mode. Sometimes the issue isn't the PS5, it's the TV audio settings. After completing this step, your Fortnite sound on PS5 should be working properly. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.